Employees can access G Suite for Education from the Employee portal. Click on Tools and find G Suite for Education under Instructional Resources. Clicking on G Suite takes you to your Google Drive, which is your storage space. Once folders are created, they always appear above Files. Teachers can change their view between Grid View and List View. List View gives more information about the folders and files, but Grid View will show thumbnails of media files.
My Drive is where files and folders that belong to an individual are stored.
Shared drives are for collaboration. Files and folders in shared drives are owned by GCPS. Everyone in the shared drive has access to those files and folders without other sharing taking place. Unlike shared drives, the individual determines who has access to each of their files or folders in My Drive.
To access items that have been shared with you, click on Shared with Me.
The Shared with Me section cannot really be organized. To add a file from Shared with Me to your drive, select it, and then click to create a shortcut in your drive. The Recent section of Drive will take you to individual files that you have worked on recently. You won't see their folders or organization. Starred will access both files and folders that you have starred in order to mark as important.
There are several settings within My Drive. To access them, click on the gear and then choose Settings. One helpful setting is to have files converted automatically when uploaded. This way, a Word document would automatically transition to a Google Doc, or a PowerPoint would become a Google slideshow. Another recommended change is to turn off the default access to Quick Access. Quick Access in My Drive means that Google will automatically place items at the top of your drive that Google deems might be important based on your history. This can be problematic, especially for students, because of the way that share settings work. So we recommend that you remove Quick Access by going to the gear, clicking on Settings, and unchecking that box.
If you can't remember where a file is located, use the search feature within Google Drive. The drop-down gives more specific search terms, so no matter how little information you have, you might be able to find it. Click on New to create files, folders, or to upload items that you already have to your drive. Files in Drive save wherever you create them, but files and folders can also be dragged and dropped to move them, or you can right-click in order to move. Right-clicking a folder also gives you the option to change its color. Right-clicking or selecting a file or folder and clicking on the ellipse give additional menu options. These include renaming, adding to starred, downloading, and more.